Hi and welcome back. Hopefully you're remembering to save your game as you're working. Make sure you're going here and saving. We haven't played it. We should try and run the layout. Make sure it opens. And at this point, if you recall, we now have a player that does follow the mouse. And on left click, it does have the ability to shoot. Now, if it did hit a monster, it wouldn't do anything because we haven't programmed that element in yet. We need to do that next. So let's take a look. The condition is if we have a bullet and it collides with another object, being the monster, we want the monster to be destroyed. Also, as it's being destroyed, we want the bullet to spawn another object, and that's being an explosion. We want to see an explosion. And the other thing is, once that happens, we do want the bullet to be destroyed. We don't want the bullet to carry on across the screen. We want to make sure the bullet destroys at that point as well. So let's go in and try to program this. So condition is the bullet. So next, and going back to here, we're saying that collision with another object. So collision with another object. Next, what object? The monster. Click OK. Then we're done. So if a bullet hits the monster, we want a few things to happen. So we need to go add action. What do we want it to do? Well, let's go back to our list. We want to make sure the monster is destroyed. So that is one action we want. So we want the monster next to be destroyed. So we'll go destroyed, click done. But we have other actions too. So we can actually have one condition actually give us a number of actions. So I'm going to click on that. Next thing we said was we want the bullet to spawn the explosion. So if we go back to our game, we want the bullet to spawn go through our list, spawn another object next, and we want it to spawn the explosion. We want that to be on layer 1 and click done. We want to have another action to say that the bullet at this point, we don't want the bullet to keep moving. We do want the bullet to be destroyed. So there. When the bullet is on collision with the monster, monster is going to be destroyed. The bullet is going to spawn the explosion on layer 1, and then the bullet is going to be destroyed. So let's just make sure we save that. Now, let's take a minute and try that on your game and make sure you can make that feature work. We'll talk to you soon.